Winterlights at Newfields is definitely one of our favorite traditions. This year we got to take all 4 kids and have a really good time. It's so much fun watching your kids look at the lights and really get into watching them and kind of counting them, seeing the different shapes and just how beautiful it is. My kids loved the music and dancing to it and twirling around. Make sure that when you stand in front of Lily House that you watch at least one of the full songs to get the light show really taken in. But if you can watch a second one or even a third song, it's even better. Lily House is beautifully decorated as always, and this year it was using paper chains, which I'm completely inspired by now. It's kind of like the old paper chains you made in school, and now they're cool again. But it's absolutely gorgeous. Don't miss the dining area. It was my favorite part of the entire time. The light shows are beautiful. The Christmas trees are decorated so elegantly, and just the number of lights will blow you away. Last year they had 1.2 or 1.3 million lights, and this year they have 1.5 million. There's warming stations because on certain nights you'll really need it. We went on what so far has been the coldest night of the season, and we had to wear our snow pants and really bundle up because it was snowing. Carl Unash's 40-foot toy tree is back again this year, and I keep getting worried that they're not going to have it one of these years, but I really wanted all my kids to see it, so I'm thrilled that it was there. And the cool thing is, I've been told that at the end of the season, the toys are donated to children in need. This is the newest edition where a lot of those additional lights came in this year. When you walk through this area, you're gonna feel like you're right in the Frozen movie. My kids loved it. There's sounds, things to hear, and it's just really, really beautiful. There's hot beverages for sale at Winterlights. Some are alcoholic. There's non-alcoholic beverages for kids. They also have light up jewelry and things that you can purchase. And then they have special glasses that make the lights look even more dazzling and brilliant. And the cool thing about those is they come with coupons on them. One of the coupons is a buy one, get one free admission, and the second one is for a free beverage. So make sure you take advantage of that and get those glasses if you can. The finale tree was one other addition that my kids really enjoyed seeing, and as we approached it, it's just so easy to stand there and keep looking as it changes right before your eyes of the colors and just how every single branch and twig is completely wrapped.